Hey y'all, in this video, I'm doing a neutral makeup look and I have a few exciting pieces to share with you from Walmart. And that is this fedora hat, this dress, and then my slides, which you will see. As you know, Walmart is the style destination for affordable fashion that are on trend and that will pair and match with anything else you have in your wardrobe. I love these three pieces I found. This hat I can wear with something else. This dress I can wear a different way. The slides I can wear a different way. They're just great. Now I will tell you, two brands that I often shop when I shop at Walmart is Sophia Jeans or Time and True. Both of these products, I have this Time and True cap or a fedora hat from Time and True, and then my slides are also from the same brand. High quality, super reasonable in price, very affordable, and very on trend. Fedoras have been in for so long, so have slides. And then this dress is from Sophia Jeans. I do remember this brand being called Sofia Vergara years ago. That's when I first started shopping them, and of course you probably know who that is. She is an awesome celebrity. I love her very much, and she has great pieces available at Walmart. Very attainable. I haven't had any issues. Also, what I love about Sophia Jeans is that they are curvy friendly. So whether you have curves in certain areas or if you're pregnant like me, I don't know what it is about certain styles of clothing that don't have stretch. I mean, I kind of understand it, but at the same time, if you're trying to reach a broader, range of sizes and figures, stretch is important. Now this size up in this dress, I got a large, but I love how it ties at the shoulders. I think that's really cute. The back isn't too low, the front isn't too low. It shows the perfect amount of skin. I really like it. Aside from that, I want to tell you that Walmart has some perfect summer must-haves for the entire family, whether it's for kids, whether it's for women, men, starting at $15. Perfect warm weather must-haves, whether it's swimwear, sandals like the slides I have, accessories like this fedora, they have sunglasses, dresses, shorts, tanks, tees, so much more at an unbeatable value. They have tons of new arrivals, no matter what brand you're looking for. Sophia Jeans, like this dress I have, Time and True. Eloquent Elements, if you are a plus-size curvy gal. Scoop, Sam and Libby, Free Assembly, Bonobos Filt'r if you're a guy, and so much more. I also love that not only is Walmart affordable, not only do they offer affordable pieces, they offer on-trend pieces. So it's not just clothes that you saw your grandmother wear, I mean, you might have seen her wear, who knows? Maybe they had this when my grandmother was my age, but anyway, what I'm saying is current trends are available and they constantly change what's available in their new arrivals. So if you're looking for a certain trend that's not available yet, it might be on its way. And you don't have to worry about spending an arm and a leg for it. So not only do they have trendy pieces in fashion, they also have trendy stuff in home and beauty. So no matter what category of products you're looking for, whether you're shopping for your family, whether you're shopping for Mother's Day that's coming up, well, Mother's Day's passed already. Okay. If you're shopping for like the 4th of July, I don't know, back to school, anything like that, you can find a variety of different products, all at affordable prices, all in one place. You can shop online or in store. Either way, you can have quick shipping as well. I ordered these three pieces and they took a couple of days to get to me. But if you don't want to ship them to your house, you can also have them shipped to your local store, which is convenient. If you don't want to ship them to your house, you just want to go in there, pick them up when you're grocery shopping, it's all convenient and available at Walmart. So if you're interested in how I achieved this makeup look, just keep watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply my face primer before I do anything else, just so I can let it sit a little while. I'm using this one from Mercier's, their foundation primer, the hydrating one, because I'm dry. Y'all know this. I've started to use primers more because I've noticed that the difference in application of my foundation and everything, it just looks like skin, literally. And it makes the foundation look more natural, which y'all know, that's the look I normally go for. Gonna do my brows next. I normally never do these on camera, but because this is a full, natural makeup look, I'm gonna do it. This eyebrow product is from Kiss. It's their top brow. This is in dark brown. It's what I've been using lately and it's worked wonders. After that, I'm just gonna clean up with a little bit of concealer. You can use any that's lighter. It'll work just fine. Gonna take some eyeshadow primer and just put this over my eyes. Although we're going for a natural look, I still don't want the crease, you know. I'm gonna take this ColourPop palette, Roaring Hearts. Looks like that. So I'm gonna see if this color is light enough for a brow highlight. This one, Foxtrot. I don't think it is, but I'm gonna see. It might be, actually. So this is going underneath my brow. I'm gonna take this color next. This color is called That Sax. Like a saxophone. Same brush. This is going in the crease. With this type of brush, it's gonna really help it look natural and diffused, which is the look I'm going for today. If you see me like this, I'm still somewhat congested. I can breathe through my nose, but I'm still a bit under the weather, so y'all have to excuse me. Your girl is recovering from bronchitis, which is not fun when you're pregnant. So I'm good now though. I'm a lot better than I was. It was horrible at first. Gonna take some more of that brown highlight color I used and just go above that to kind of blend it out more. For my lid, I'm gonna take this gorgeous color called Cafe Society. It's like this pinky bronze color. Like a copper, basically. A light copper color. I can feel it when you're miles away. Yeah. You can make it shine when the whole world rains. For the outer V, I'm gonna take this dark brown. This here. Gonna see how dark that is. Yeah, this is good. I'm taking a really tapered brush to apply that. I'm kind of swirling it in. I don't want it too dark, or too harsh rather. Just a little bit of darkness there. Like that. I'm gonna take a little more of that coppery color. And once again, outer V color. I'm gonna take some eyeliner along the bottom. This is from ColourPop. It's their cream jawliner and Call Me. It's just a brown. Gonna go back in with that dark brown, Lindy Hop. I don't think I told y'all the name of the color earlier, but it's this one. For the inner tear duct, I'm gonna take this Nightlife color here. This shimmery light gold. This is going in my inner corner. For the inner tear duct, I'm gonna take this Nightlife color here. This shimmery light gold. Can make it shine when the whole world rains. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the days are like that. I think I want to do black eyeliner. Even though this is more of a natural look, I feel like you could still make a natural look with black. So I'm gonna take this from Bobbi Brown Black Ink Longwear Jaw Eyeliner. Actually, no. I need to use this up first. I'm gonna take this Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyeliner pen. I'm gonna use that. This is just what I'm using for like dark spots. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. For foundation, I'm taking this one from Clinique. It's the Even Better Clinical Serum Foundation. I actually just did a collaboration with them, and this foundation is pretty awesome. This is in WN112 Ginger. That's the name of the color. It's a perfect match. Take just a little bit, because that's all I need. Oops, that's probably too much. A little goes a long way with this stuff. Gonna take some concealer. This is from CoverFX. It's really old. I don't even think they make this anymore. Just blending that with my foundation. Gonna take some setting powder. This is the High Definition Under Eye Setting Powder from e.l.f. This is going under my eyes to set that concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with Medium Plus Mineralize Skinfinish by MAC on top for a little more brightness under there. my nose, basically where I put the concealer. Y'all know this. This is how I do it. I'm gonna take an actual setting powder from Sephora. This is their MicroSmooth Bake Compact or something or another. Any setting powder would do. For highlight, it's time for a change. This is the multidimensional face and body shimmer from e.l.f. I don't know how this looks. This is my first time ever using this. I don't even know the color because it doesn't tell you. So we're just gonna go with this. And in case you didn't know, e.l.f. is available at Walmart, so there's that. Very accessible. And y'all know how I like to do my highlighter. We gonna build this up, okay? Okay, it's wearable to me. You can do as you wish. But if you happen to do too much, you can kind of go in with your powder brush and kind of buff it back out. Before I forget, I'm gonna go in with some mascara. This one's from Too Faced. You can definitely stop here, but I'm gonna put on lashes just because that's how I roll. But you don't have to, don't worry. These are the Samantha No. 7 Classic Lashes from Huda Beauty. They look like this, like that. And then I'll return. Now I'm gonna take my MAC Sun Power Mineralize Skin Finish for bronzer. Looks like this. For blush, I'm taking this one from ColourPop. It's the pressed powder blush in Potted. It's this gorgeous plummy purple color. I'm taking a light hand because this is extremely pigmented. For lips, I'm just gonna take this lip lacquer from ColourPop. It's their Fresh Kiss Lip Lacquer in the shade Brandy. And it's just this neutral pink color. It's really pretty. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the days are long and the nights are late, and I've been craving you. So I wanted to mention this fedora comes in 2 different colors, I believe. So in case you don't like this color, also the slides, they come in different colors as well, a variety of different sizes. In case you want to check them out, I'll link them down below. Definitely check them out. Very affordable, trendy pieces. This dress is going to carry me through pregnancy. It is hot, okay? It is hot in Texas, and I'm getting bigger and bigger, and this baby isn't coming until after the summer is over. So this is going to carry me through. But if you're not pregnant, it's still very flattering on. It's gorgeous. Again, this is a size large. My typical size is a size small. I just sized up just so I can have extra room to stretch and grow. And I just love the way this fits. I love the print of it. I do love florals. I do love color. And this dress is perfect. So again, I'll link them down below for you.